Dog. Welcome back to The Blend. You know, thousands of people around the world come to Las Vegas just to ring in the new year. And while it's a fun time, it can also be dangerous for both locals and visitors alike if you're not being safe by having a designated driver.
Here with some New Year's Eve safety tips, personal injury attorney Dallas Horton. Good morning. How are you?
Doing lovely, and how are you guys?
Good having you, sir.
Welcome back.
How was your Christmas?
Great, thank you.
Good.
Did you stay in town?
I did,
did?
right here with my little girl. My daddy came up, mama came, so we just had a super Christmas day.
Oh, that is awesome. Okay, a lot of people looking forward to New Year's Eve. There's going to be a lot of parties going on around town, obviously, but it's so important to have a designated driver because you've seen the consequences.
I agree. Designated driver, designated driver, designated driver, and that's for a few reasons. One is to keep you alive. The second is to keep everybody else on the road alive. And the third is to keep our kids alive because they're out for the breaks. They're going to be out on the roads. And I know all of us think that, hey, it's 2 o'clock in the morning, the kids aren't going to be out. They sneak out. We all know they sneak out.
Yeah.
They're going to be running across the street. Just have a designated driver because it's going to save your life and a whole bunch of other people's lives. And that's what we're here to do, is help, not hurt. So we don't want to go out, have a good time, end up ruining it all, spending a few months in jail, maybe going to prison for the rest of our life. It's just not necessary. Also, if you're throwing parties at your house, now there is no dram shop liability in the state of Nevada, meaning somebody gets drunk at your house, leaves, and has an accident, they're not going to be able to sue you for getting them too drunk.
Yeah.
That stated, we're human beings and we have character, and no one wants to wake up thinking they might be responsible for the loss of another person's life.
Exactly.
It's not going to kill anybody to have a cab number right on the fridge. And there are services on New Year's that are on TV that'll come pick people up for free. Write those numbers down, get cab services. It doesn't cost a ton to rent a limo service just for a night, pay $600 and have that guy drive everybody back and forth.
Exactly.
Do what you can to keep everybody healthy and happy and safe.
What tips do you have for people that might be hitting the strip or going to a club?
Okay, that's the best question.
Yeah.
Okay, ladies, if you're going down the strip, wear your purse over your neck, not over your shoulder, because you're likely to get mugged.
Over your neck?
Yeah, you wear it across so they can't take it and run.
Yeah.
The next comment I would make for men is, you know, I put my money in my sock or in my front pocket where somebody cannot take it. Most importantly, for the boys and the girls out there, they're doing these clubs. Do not leave your drinks unattended. This is how terrible things happen in our city. We have one of the greatest cities on the planet. But sometimes bad people come in, and sometimes good people get a little too messed up and become bad people.
Yeah.
And I don't want the ladies drugged. So one, we never leave our drinks unattended.
Never, yeah.
If you're out in a group of 4 and 3 of you want to go to the bathroom, great. Leave the other one there to watch the drinks. The next thing is, for ladies and boys alike, you know, bad people, they'll mug you. Stay in your group. You're not likely to be hurt or picked on if you're in a group. Don't wander off alone, and don't wander off with people that you don't know. You're in a big city where sometimes very bad things happen. Now, for those of you in your homes, they're going to be shooting off fireworks. Just keep the fire extinguisher with you.
Even though it is completely illegal at this point of the year.
Is it illegal to set off fireworks?
It is not. Nevada we have very special fireworks that are sold out of fireworks stand by the fire department and other charities. You can get those, but only those. Do not go up to the Indian Reservation or to California where the laws are different. Get the fireworks only we're allowed to have here at those little booths.
See, I was under the assumption that after July 4th it was done.
I don't believe that's accurate. You could be right, I could be wrong. I'm not a firework attorney, but that stated, my understanding is we're still okay. I saw some fireworks in the stores, for example. I think they're still okay. It's just the type of fireworks that
just be careful.
Yeah, but look, we're desert guys. You don't go get bottle rockets. You'll burn neighborhoods down.
Yeah.
Okay, and then you'll damage families and
especially
property.
Considering the houses are built on top of each other.
I mean, they really are.
Yeah.
So.
The cell phone law taking effect also right around the corner. And yes, that's going to be huge.
I'm very happy about this.
Tell us about the fines.
I'm very
that
happy
can
about
rack
this.
Up.
Oh, well, the first time they catch you, it's 100, and I think the third is 1,000. So let's be real careful and not use our cell phones. Go get your Bluetooth. Go get your hands frees. Do what you got to do to get ready for the first of the year. And God, I'm glad you brought that up. Do not on New Year's Eve be drinking and driving and using a cell phone, because if you get to the first of the year and you cause an accident while you're drinking and driving and on a cell phone, an officer and a judge are going to have a field day with you.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Do you see a rise in accidents and incidents around this time of the year?
Yes. Our highest accidents every year are New Year's. The number one, our highest injuries are New Year's. It is an insane period where people hurt one another on the strip. The casinos they're very busy, and they're leaving stuff out, and people are tripping over it and falling over it, and I'm glad you brought that up. Be very careful looking where you walk throughout New Year's. You're going to be drinking a little bit, and stuff just gets left out. It shouldn't be left out, but it does, because they just don't have enough staff for all the people that they're going to let come in.
Absolutely.
All right, Dallas?
Yes?
We got to go.
I gotta go.
Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year to
where
y'all.
are you going to be? Where are you going to be real fast?
Happy New Year to y'all. I want to give a shout out to my little girl, Irie. Good morning, honey. Good morning. And I'm going to Costa Rica tomorrow.
Oh, and you're taking with us. Yay.
He's ready to go for
I would love you guys to come anytime you want.
Thank you so much.
Pleasure.
Happy
Take care.
New Year
Love
to you.
having you. Hey, Merry Christmas. Happy New Year to both of you.
Yeah,
You're the
you
best.
Too. Thank you. All right, be smart, be safe this New Year's. If you have any questions for Dallas or need legal advice, you can give him a call or check out his website. His information right there on your screen. Still ahead in the morning.